Hello guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing great. So my name is Christine Nyahemana. This is the Happy Blessed family. On this channel we speak the word of God, the word of encouragement. Clean with me, cook with me, shop with me, so many things. So the video for today we'll be doing cook with me. What we'll be cooking, these mixed vegetables and ground beef, potatoes, spinach, macaroni, ginger paste, green onions, white onions, green peppers, or bell peppers, sorry, not the green peppers, tandoori masala, tomato paste, spaghetti sauce, salt to taste. The oil we'll be using coconut oil. This one I bought it in Costco. This is which we're gonna start with. Turn the camera around. We see what we're gonna start with. Ground beef. So this is where we're gonna put our potatoes. So this way is we're gonna put macaroni. This is the time we put our green onions. When you see that it's starting to stick down, you can add water. Then it's time to put our mixed vegetables. Look beautiful how it is. So many colors. It's time to put our spinach. Then we're gonna put our bell peppers. We fry it like 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we'll be putting tandoori masala. Half a tablespoon. Then we put dash. One tablespoon and a half. Even it's the one which left in it. Then we'll be putting garlic. 2 tablespoons. Then we'll be putting ginger paste, 3 tablespoons. Then salt, a tablespoon. Then tomato paste, the whole can. Then we put a little bit water. I did boil water this side. Then I'm gonna put my onion. I forgot to put it before. Tomato paste. Then we cover it for 5 minutes. Now it's time to put our spaghetti sauce. Then we're gonna use our hot water or boiled water to rinse this bottle. There we go. Then we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, this is what came out, this one. So today I'm gonna eat it with a Roman heart, like a boat, like this, with Parmesan cheese, or you can eat it like this on the plate there. So subscribe, share, comment. I love you all, but God love you more. Bye guys.